The Daily Code Snippet. So we have had about 2 weeks of videos, and I have received feedback that it would be helpful to give an overview of what will be taught each week. Today, we are going to do a recap of what we have gone over so far. HTML is hypertext markup language and provides structure to a web page. Elements are structured as an opening and closing tag that tell the browser what kind of information lies between. We went over the most common elements and how there are 6 levels of hierarchy in headings. Attributes are used to give the browser additional information about those elements. Attributes consist of a name and a value. Values are predefined. Semantic markup differs from structural markup. It is important for HTML5, the latest and current iteration of HTML. Semantic markup also gives more specific information on the role of an element. Semantic markup tells browsers and the user about the role of an element. This is important for accessibility and screen reader devices. We went over common semantic elements like header, nav, main, section, article, aside, and footer. To understand semantic markup further, we looked at bold versus strong and italic versus M. And finally, we started going over elements that are used to further define the kind of text that we are putting on our web page, such as superscript, subscripts, abbreviations, acronyms, quotations, and citations. In tomorrow's video, I will give an overview of the following week. If you have feedback, please let me know by commenting on these videos. Thank you. Presented by Designers Learn Code.